Hi everyone, in this video I'll be removing my C5 Corvette seat and getting it repaired. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. Corvettes are notorious for their seats ripping. Not necessarily because it's a bad design, it's because of the owners have a hard time getting out of the car and they unfortunately use the seat as a stabilizer to get out of the car, which is the wrong way to do it. In my case, I inherited the driver's seat with two rips, one on the side from sliding in and out, and one horizontal specifically from whoever was putting all their weight on it as they pushed their way out of the car. I'm going to remove the seat today and take it to an upholstery shop. To get this seat out of the car, there is 4 nuts holding it in. The front 2 are behind vanity plastic, so you have to pop those off first and then use a socket to remove the nuts. I have powered seats, so I have to leave everything plugged in until I can get to the nuts behind the seat. Because the seat is powered, I will have to disconnect the wire harness. This seems to be problematic for me since there's not a lot of room and the size of my hands, and how the wire harness is also clipped to the rails of the seats. It is really hard to see and get in there to undo the electrical clips. But I finally got it, and then my camera decided to shut down since the sun finally crept up on it and overheated it. Now, when I went to get quotes on repairing this small little section of the seat, I got a big range of prices. $250, which was absurd since I could recover the whole seat for $500. I got another quote for $150, but I found a guy who does great work and was a referral, and he was able to do it for $100. So I dropped it off and picked it up a week later. Then I cleaned up the areas which faces the center console. I used a leather cleaner and then conditioner. Part of the backrest is actually fabric, so I wasn't able to use the cleaners on that part. I was only able to do it on the leather section. But you'll never see this area of the seat. Then I did a thorough vacuuming and then spot cleaner. Hot Shot seemed to work well and did not discolor the carpet. I'm actually going to leave the seat out since I have to do a lot of work in the cabin and it will give me more room to work. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons and have a great day.